Hello everyone, my name is Akash Dikshit. Today is 23 September 2021. Today we discuss about the object and class in a Java. Firstly, what is the object? The object is the member of the class. It is also called as the instance. The object, it can have its identity, behavior, and state. The state of the object is can be stored in a field, while the method can display the uh, object. The object is created at a runtime with the help of template. The template is also called as a class. The the object it can be created by the key, special key, that is new. The object is have some features that are identity, state, and the behavior. First, identity. It is the characteristics to uniquely identify the object. For example, id number, address in a memory. Second is state. The state is defined as the data that can be stored in object, that is the stored in. Firstly, the state is defined as the present data in an object or the value of object. So last one is behavior. It can be represent the functionality of the object. For example, car. We can discuss about the car. The next is class. Firstly, what is the class? Class is the collection of the object. The class does not take a space in a memory. The class is also called as a blueprint, local blueprint, and logical entity. And the class have two types. The class classified into the two categories. First is predefined class, and second is user defined class. In predefined class there are four types. There are system, scanner, console, and the last one is string. And user defined class, this class can be defined by the Java programmer, and the predefined class, it cannot be defined by the Java programming. It can be defined by the system of a program language. The component of the class is the main method, constructor, method, and contractors. And the object we can create a object with the three step. First is declaration, second is initialization, and third is instantiation.